Greetings, Dr. City. I am Kenrick Tang Fang Hao, the project manager of MindCraft. This project is managed by 5 members including me, which are Kuei Chen Hui, the production director, Ivy Ding Niling, the financial director, Bong Ka Seng, the art director, and Jamadil Asru bin Aman, the marketing director. Our project is designing a product for a new concept of mugs and cups for IKEA brand. Our proposed design for the mugs will be using green technology and sustainable materials, which promotes the importance of our environment. Next, each member is given a specific task to be executed. First, the project manager will receive the project and discuss it among the team. The art director and the production director will work together to come up with an idea by sketching out the concept and brainstorming throughout the meeting. The production manager then will give a roughly estimation on the budget and how the production will proceed. After the approval from the client, then the project can proceed to another stage. The financial director will open an invoice and calculate the total price for the payment of the project. After that, the marketing director will start to plan a marketing strategy for the product. After all the tasks has been completed, the production phase will begin.
Okay, the next one is design process and methods. So there are 10 different processes, which one started with brainstorming, which we will be discussing different ideas and draw into a bubble map. And the next one is product description, where we'll be describe the product and propose it to the client. And then the third one is research. This includes market trend, competitor analysis, and product observations. And then the fourth one is sketches. We create illustration and different sketches to explore different types of concepts of the product. And then the next one is prototypes. We create a 3D modelings and digitally explore and present ideas to the clients. And the sixth is testing. We test the product based on the real situation. And then the seventh is specification. The physical representation for the final design with its product description, specification, or a PDS. And then the 8 factory samples, which make a clear clarifications of the factory, how the product will be produced. And then number 9 is productions. The production will start after approval from the factory. And then the last one is quality check, quality control, which inspection will be made to speculate in the quality of the product. The next slide will be our goals, objective, and problems. For our goals, we are using environmental friendly materials in not for user. And then the second one for our goals is to decrease the wastages of productions. And then the last one for our goals is using quality material at a lower price of productions. And then for our objective is we start with number 1, which is we design a new concept for cups and mugs. And then for the second one, we keeping the environmental safe from production waste. And then for the last one, for our objective is we promoting environmental awareness using newly designed concept. And for the last one is, which is our problems, we start with the wastages of plastic pollutions has increased. And then the last one for the problems is the ergonomic for cups and mugs are not thoroughly studied.
According to our marketing research, we found out that Expedia Design, VK3D, and also Green Phantom is our company competitors. For the next one, our product design target audience are travelers, employees, freelancers, hikers, coffee lovers, and also green consumers, no matter they are male or female.
To fulfill the requirement of our target audience, we have brainstorming to generate some ideas in designing the cups. As the objective of this project is to increase the environment awareness and reduce the production waste, thus the concept for the design is eco-friendly, recyclable, and minimalist. Natural world, for example tropical or nature, has become a source of inspiration for us to create a new idea for the cups. The material that we consider to use include stainless steel, silicone, recyclable fiber, and plastic. We have also brainstormed some color that we're going to use in designing the cup. For example, pastel color, retro wave, and monochrome. Besides the design, we also focus on the functionality of the cup. To maintain the temperature of the liquid, we consider to include the thermal vacuum as one of the functions for the cups. A grip holder can allow the user to hold the cup easily, while for the space saving purpose, the cup can be designed into a collapsible cup. Here is the output design sample of the reusable cup. First, the cup is suitable for all the target audience, from the office worker to the traveler. The material that we're going to use is silicone, which is an eco-friendly material. The cup is cold and hot resistant, which is suitable for the hot drinks, coffee, and so on. Besides, it is also durable and collapsible. User can fold it to save more space. The cup is also embedded with a ring holder, which is convenient for the user to hold it. While the color we choose to design the cup is pastel color, which is accepted by most of our target audience.
I will continue the presentation from the project timeline. The project timeline for the IKEA mugs and cups design are 6 months starting from the September 2019 until the March 2020. On the September 27th, we did the project brief on the IKEA mugs and cups design. In October, we did the task analysis, research, and analysis on the existing product. In November, we have the initial ideas and the ideas development, and we did some research on the process needed. We also finalized our ideas and decide the final design for manufacturing. In December, we develop more on our product for the manufacturing purpose. In January, we have the manufacturing planning and the Gantt chart for the production models. We also purchase any necessary component for the production. And lastly, for the February and March will be the model making until it finished. Next is the estimation of the overall budget. The production capacity for the MindCraft are 150,000, but the actual output is 120,000. The production cost components are direct material, direct labor, factory overhead, and SSD taxes. So the direct materials are silicone. The silicones for 120,000 units are 678,000. For the direct labor, the salary for the art director, financial director, and production directors are 50,000. For the officers, we have 4 officers and 1 officers are 2,500, so total will be 10,000. For the designer, we have 2 designers. 1 designer is 4,400 and the total out will be 8,800. For the salary for the general workers are 1,200. We have 20 of them, so it will be 24,000. For the insurance for the overall labels are 1,038.90 cents. For the factory overheads are indirect materials. The indirect materials are the maintenance of the machine, grease oil, cleaning chemicals, and its total out will be 10,961 ringgit. For the utility free such as the water and electric bills are 50,000, and the rental also 50,000. After the product are finished in China, we have to ship it back to East Malaysia, so the shipping fee from China will be 9,000. After we double check and quality checking from the company, we have to send it to IKEA, so the shipping fee from East Malaysia to West Malaysia are 8,000. And lastly, the SSD is 10%, so it will be 100,000. So the total product cost is 1 million, and the total output is 120,000. The production cost per unit will be the total product cost divided by total output, so it will be 1 million divided by 120,000. So the product cost per unit are 8 ringgit and 33 cents. Yeah, that's all for me.